Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to show you how to create tables using HTML. If you want to create a table like this, having the table headings and table data like this, you have to use these tags in HTML. What are those tags in HTML that we have to use to create such kind of table that is shown here? First, we have to use table tag. Under the table tag, we have to use tr tag. Tr stands for table row. So here, how many rows are there in this example table? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So such kind of rows can be created with the help of tr tag. As a child tag of the table tag, we can write the tr tags while creating this table. Now, in each row, either we have table headings or table data. Here, name is a table heading, Kishore is a table data. Age is a table heading, 22, 25, 29, 31 are the table data. Place is a heading, and all these places like Delhi, Pune, Bangalore, Mumbai in this example table are nothing but table data. To create such kind of table headings, we have to use th tag. And to create this table data, we have to use a tag known as td tag. Okay, the full form of td is table data. The full form of th is table heading. Tr means table row. And all these tags should be created as child tags of this parent table tag for creating such kind of table. Let me practically demonstrate this right now. Let's create this exact same table using these tags in HTML. For that, I'll switch to this editor where we have this sample HTML code already written. And under the body tags or inside the body tags, I'm going to first create the table tag. Table, and have to close the table tag using slash table. Starting of the table, ending of the table. Now, inside the table tags, I need to use these child tags like tr, th, td. First, I will be using tr tag. Here, how many rows are required for this particular table? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. So, what I will do? I'll create 5 tr tags. And we need to close each and every tr tag. Slash tr. Okay. Then here also slash tr. How many are required? How many rows are required? 5, right? So I'll be creating 5 table rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 table rows are there. So what is there in the first table row? What is there in the first table row? In this first table row of this particular table, we have name, age, place, headings. To create this table headings, we have to use th tag. So inside the first table row, I'm going to create 3 table headings. Okay. For creating the table headings, we have to use th tag, th slash th. I have to close every tag here. So how many times? 3 times. 3 table headings are there, right? 3 table headings. So first one is name, provide the name here. And second one is age, provide the age here. And third one is place, provide the place here. That's it. Okay. Now, second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row. In second row to fifth row, second, third, fourth, fifth row, we have the table data. Every row, how many sets of table data are there? Using the td tag, we can create the table data 1, 2, 3. So in every table row, starting from the second table row, we have to provide td tags, td slash td, td slash td, td slash td, right? Now copy this and provide under the here. Okay, in every table row you provide from second row to the fifth row, you provide all these things. And in the second row, provide Kishore 22 Delhi. Kishore 22 Delhi. Third one and third row, Manish 25 Pune. Manish 25 Pune. Then Praveen 29 Bangalore. Let's give Praveen 29 Bangalore. And the last one, Deepthi 31 Mumbai. Deepthi, then 31, then Mumbai. Okay. So here under the body tags, we created the table tags, starting and ending table tags. And in that, we have created 5 table rows using the tr tag. In the first table row, we have provided the 3 table headings. And from second table row onwards, 3 table data we have provided for every table row. And save it. The once you save it, go to the web page of HTML where it got saved and open this HTML file using the browser, and you'll be able to see the table on the web page. You see, you can see the table on the web page like this, right? This is a table that we have created using this table tags, tr tags, th and td tags. But something is missing. That is, there's no border for this table. Table headings are coming, table data is coming, rows are coming, but borders are not there. How to give the border for this table? And here in the table tag, give an attribute known as border attribute. Border is equal to, you can give any value. You can start with 1 or you can increase if you want. Okay, I'll just give 1 for now. After saving, just go here and refresh. You see, the table border is coming. If you want to increase this border, like 5 if you want to give, the border thickness will increase, guys. The border thickness will rise. So I'm okay with 1. Okay, I'll just change it back to 1. So using this border attribute, we can give the border for that particular table containing the table rows, and in the table rows, either we'll be having the table headings or table data. So here we have used table tag, tr tag, th tag, td tag, and also we have used one attribute known as border attribute. Border attribute also we have used, that we have to specify in the starting tag of the table, and we have to give some value according to the type of the border that you want for the particular table. So this is how we have to create tables in HTML. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.